section kaya yun? Ano sa atin yung source of data? Check mo. Saan? Yun o. Yung circle, yung ellipse, yung parabola, tsaka hyperbola.
Hello, ano? Ang galing.
Di ba ang galing? Problem set, conic sections. Number 1. Circle. A radio tower is located at 20, 15, and has a range of 15 km. The lettered points on the coordinate plane represents the cities around it. Find the equation of the circle that represents the coverage of the radio tower and sketch the circle. Which among the city are out of coverage of the radio tower?
The location of the radio tower is 20 and 15. So our equation is x minus 20 squared plus y minus 15 squared because yung coordinates is positive, so magiging negative siya sa equation. Ang radius natin is 15 kasi ayun ang range is 15 km. So 15 squared is equal to 225. So ang full equation is y minus 20 squared plus y minus 15 squared equals 15 squared is equal to 225.
Number 2. Parabola. An object is thrown upward from the ground. Its trajectory is parabolic. Its maximum height is 6 meters and the horizontal distance it traveled is 12 meters before it reached the ground. Write a function that gives the height y of the objects given its horizontal distance x from the starting point, assuming that the starting point is at the origin.
The formula of parabola function is y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. The value of ax squared is the given height, which is 6 meters, while the value of bx is 6 and y 6 because the horizontal distance traveled by the object is 12 meters. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. That's the value of px. The object starts and ends of a height of 0. Sabi doon, we can assume that starting point is at the origin. So we can determine the c is 0. The final function is y is equal to 6x squared plus 6x plus 0.
Number 4. Hyperbola. Point P is an hyperbola with a vertical principal axis and whose center at the origin. The distance of P from the first focus F1 is 10 units more than its distance from the second focus F2. The distance between the two foci is 26 units. What is the equation of the hyperbola?
So our equation is y squared over 124 minus x squared over 25 equals 1. So, dahil mas malaki ang denominator ng y squared natin, so ang magiging transverse axis natin is vertical because 124 is greater than 25. This means that transverse axis is longer than the coordinate axis. So, the first step is kukunin natin yung value ng A. So, paano ba natin kunin yung value ng A? So, titingnan mo natin yung equation natin. So, makikita natin ang y squared ng pinakamalaki. May pinakamalaking denominator. So, 144 i-square natin yung 144. So, the answer will be 12. And, kukunin naman natin ang value ng B natin. So, paano ba kunin yun? So, 25. Kung ano yung pinakamaliit na denominator sa equation, yun yung magiging denominator, yung magiging value ng B natin. So, 25 is equal to 25, that will be 5. So, next step is, kukunin natin yung C. But, paano ba natin kukunin ang value ng C? So, ang equation ng value ng C is A squared plus B squared. Itaas yung scoop na A squared natin. So, 144 plus 25, that will be 169. So, i-score natin yun. So, ang sagot is 13. Pero para saan ba natin, ba't ba natin kinukuha ng ABC? So, yung A, magre-represent ng, ng vertex. Yung B naman, magre-represent ng co-vertices. And yung C, magre-represent ng focus. So, kukunin naman natin yung lactose vector natin. So, paano ba kunin yung lactose vector? Ang equation natin is B squared over A. So, 25 divided by 12. So, the answer will be 2.08. Pero pag niround operation siya, kaya siya magiging 2.1. So, punta na tayo sa graph. Makikita natin sa graph, dahil na 12 yung vertex natin, ay, pupunta siya sa dito. Ito muna naman siya. 12. So, na 0, 12, and 0, negative 12. Ito na yung natin. So, punta naman tayo sa convertices natin. Dahil nga, 5 ang value ng B natin, so, that will be yung convertices 1 natin is negative 5 and 0. And ito naman, convertices na natin, 5 and 0. So, dahil ganito ang equation natin, tatandaan na natin. Pag ganito ang equation natin, ang center niyan is laging nasa origin. So, center natin is 0, 0. So, saan naman tayo? Next step natin is kukunin natin ang focus. So, ang focus natin is 13. So, ito yung focus 1, focus 2, 13. So, para sa bato, pagkain natin yung lactose ng rectum. Kukunin natin yung lactose ng rectum para ma-graph natin ang hyperbola. Kasi pag hindi natin kuha, hindi natin siya mag-graph. So, 2.1 yung sagot. So, titingin tayo sa focus. Magdadagdag lang tayo ng 2.1. So, ito na yun. Ito na yung dalawa na yun. So, pagkadagdag natin yan, ayun na, mag-graph na natin yung hyperbola. Pero bago yan, may kailangan pa tayo, para sa ano. Ang tawag po dito is asymptote. So, lahat, matadaanan nito yung vertex. Tapos, magkano siya, parang mabubuo siya as a rectangle. So, after mabuo ng rectangle, mag-draw tayo ng line. Dapat hindi dyan tatama yung graph natin. So, ito na. Ito yung mga videos natin mag-graph na natin siya. So, ang magiging yung error 1 natin, error 1, negative 2, error 3, error 2, positive 2.1, and 13, error 3, negative 2.1, and negative 13, and error 1 natin, 2.1, and negative 13. So, ito na yung pinaka-graph na ating equation. Ayan siya.
Number 3, ellipse, is an elliptical oval that is 50 meters long and 40 meters wide. Two poles are located at its foci. How far are the poles?
In an elliptical oval that is 50 meters long and 40 meters wide, two poles are located at its foci. How far are the poles? Standard equation for number 3, x squared over 2,500 plus y squared over 1,600 equals 1. At dahil sa equation na nakuha natin ay mas madali natin ma-identify ang given natin A, B, and C and lactose rectum ng equation. So dito meron tayong square root of 2,500 is 50, which is our A. Square root of 1,600 is 40, which is for B. Now we move on to find our C using A squared minus B squared, which is 2,500 minus 1,600 is 900 equals 900. Under the square root of 900 is 30, which is the value of C. For our lactose rectum, we're gonna use formula B squared over A, and this is 1,600 over 50 is equal to 32. For our lactose rectum at ngayon nakuha na natin ang mga naunang given na ito ay magkakaroon tayo ng
guide kung paano natin makuha vertices at co-vertices foci, lateral recta at dito sa lateral recta. Dito sa part na ito, meron tayong vertices. Negative 50 and positive 0. Positive 50 and positive 0. Sumunod ang co-vertices. Positive 0 and positive 40. Positive 0 and negative 40. For our foci, we have negative 30 and positive 0. Positive 30 and positive 0. And last, our lateral recta, which is negative 30 and positive 32, negative 30 and negative 32, positive 30 and positive 32, positive 30 and negative 32. Now we are done with all the following answer. We must go back and check the needed question. How far are the poles? The answer will be 30 meters apart, which is equivalent to our C.